Hello, this is Paul Lizell again here with REO Auction Academy. And today we're going to talk about how to learn how to buy properties and virtually wholesale them. This is something we teach here, learn how to buy houses from your bedroom. And we do have courses out there on how to do this. We have a monthly membership group on Facebook, which is $14.47 a month. If you kind of want to dip your toes and get a feel of what you're going to learn. You can do a do-it-yourself program, and that's $497. You can get our basic program, which is $7,000, but that's probably going to be bumping up to $10,000 here in the near future. Or you can pay the $30,000 for our soup to nuts, how to do everything in real estate investing, how to have you're going to have your hand held. You're with us for an entire year. We go over every single deal with you. We teach you how to buy at the right price, right? We teach you how to sell the property. We teach you how to do owner financing. We teach you how to buy and hold cash flow properties, and we teach you how to fix and flip. So we were literally, for that $30,000 number, teach you how to do everything from A to Z, direct mail marketing, PPC marketing, all kinds of different disposition methods as well. But if you just want to learn how to do virtual wholesaling, which personally is my favorite thing, and I could just do this all day long and just do the virtual wholesaling side of it here, our basic program is $7,000, and we teach you how to do everything. We evaluate your deals when you win them at auction, when you're the high bid at auction, or when the bank accepts your number, or somebody, a seller direct to seller off the MLS accepts your offer. We evaluate the deal for you, tell you whether something to move forward with or not. And we break it down as to why it is or why it is not, and where we anticipate you being able to sell the property for, as far as the price point and how long it may take. And we can even assist you with funding these deals. We do have private lenders here who do fund our students, quite a few of them, and they don't mind doing it because we oversee the deal and we do our due diligence on our end, so they know they're not getting into something that's going to be an issue. Again, if you want to learn more about how to virtual wholesale, reach out to us at REO Auction Academy. Make sure you click on the subscribe button here and click on the notifications so you're notified when we have new videos. We hope you like the content here. We're going to continue to create more and more content, and we hope you enjoy it, and let us know in the notes below. Thanks.